For this project, we are going to learn how to draw an eyeball that looks extremely realistic. I'm going to show you a YouTube video that I will post separately from this video that demonstrates in great detail on how to draw an eye. If you follow that video, you will be really pleased with the outcome. The reason I'm posting it separately is that way you can pause it, rewind it, work at it on your own pace. Then we're going to incorporate it into a project where you're going to design a room with a door or a window in it, and when you open that door, there will be look like a really big creature with an eyeball staring through that door or window, and I'm going to show you some examples. I just passed over the video quickly because, like I said, I'm going to put the link separately. So here's an example. There's the top picture is just a door. You see a light switch there. The door is cut so that it opens up, and when you open it, there is we see the big eye with some kind of a creature that is peering in the door at us. So this is just, I'm going to show you, this eye really doesn't go along with the video. Your eye will look more realistic than what this particular example does. I have some stuff from students that they've done in the past. This kind of a room, they did it to look more like a science lab or something like that. And so here's what it looks like with the door shut. And then here's with the door open. And you can see what a great job they did with the eye. And then they did the rest of added different features to it so that it looks like there's a big cat looking inside the door at you. One thing I want to stress that's important, a lot of students forgot this when they finished, you want the inside of your door to not just be kept white paper. Put some kind of design or color on it, just so that if not, when it's open, you see a big white space. And then here is another one. This one is cut off a little bit, I see in my frame. But here again is the room. The door opens, and then something is looking in at you. Another example. I don't know, this one's cut off, I don't know why. Oh, I want to move this one because this eye is amazing on this. Okay, the eye is totally amazing. So can you picture if you were in this room and you opened this door and then there was somebody that big, like it would be like a giant looking in at you. The only thing I can say about this project is this could have been a little more interesting out here in the room, but they spent a lot of time working on this eye. It was amazing. You notice this person too, their door is not a rectangle, they rounded the top of it. So that's another possibility. Here they do, this window doesn't open, but some people did where their window opened. So you'd lift up the flap and there would be something behind the window, so you don't have to do a door. Again, a lot of these projects were painted. If you want to paint it, you can paint yours if you have paint. If not, you can use whatever you have to complete the project. Here's another example. That looks like it must be the end of my examples. Now I'm going to show you how to draw your door to get it to open up, and then how you'll put your eye in that placement. I have a really large piece of paper. I'm not going to give you measurements on your door. That is totally up to you, and it depends on the size of your paper. So I'm using a big piece of drawing paper like we would use in school, and I just drew a rectangle using a ruler. You then have to decide which way do you want the door to open. If I want it to open this way, I'm going to cut here and here. If I want it to open the other way, I'm going to cut here and here. This will be my hinge. So I'm going to go ahead, and it really doesn't matter what way it opens, but the thing you have to remember is you don't cut it all the way out or your door will not swing open anymore. I'm going to cut on this line right here. You can do a window if you would like I said before. I have these plastic scissors, so they're kind of hard to work with. So, okay. So I'm trying to keep this in the screen. So I just cut, what I did is I cut on 2 of the edges and kept the third one. So this will open like this. unfortunately the table I'm working on is the same color as the paper, so it's hard to see. So I can just open this and fold it like that. So that is my door. The next thing I'm going to do is take another piece of paper that I'm going to draw my eyeball on, and I'm going to set it behind here. And what I might do is, with a pencil, lightly trace, and I know this is hard to see, but if I lightly trace this area right here, that's where my doorway is. And so now when I go to draw my eyeball, I'm going to draw the eye in this section, in this area right here. If I draw outside of these lines, then the eye won't fit in the doorway. Okay, so the next step I would do is I would go watch the video, I would draw my eye in here and finish it, and then I would add details to make it look like some kind of animal, person, or made-up creature, whatever you want to put in your doorway. Then I would come back and I would decorate and design my room. I might drop furniture, whatever over here. And then what you're going to do with this piece of paper, do not cut on these lines. You need to have extra hanging over. So what I would do is I'm going to put glue here and here around the outside, or tape it. I'm going to tape it right in here so it lines up. And I don't have any extra paper hanging over, but if you did, you could just trim that off. And again, I apologize that my table is the same color as my paper. It makes it harder to see. So you're tracing your design on the back for your eye so that you know it will fit in the window, and then you need to have extra left over so you could tape or glue it on there. So then when I open up the window, there's my creature at my door. Okay, I will show you briefly if you wanted to do a window. You just put your, and again, I would use a ruler, just for time's sake, I'm doing this. This line would be my fold line right here if I wanted my window to open up. And then I would cut here, here, and here, leave this here, and the window would flap open. If you want your windows to open down the center, and I'll actually do this one because sometimes this is hard. This is where it's folded, and this is where it's folded, so I'm going to cut here, here, and here, and I'll do that. And then you can't ruin this, so you don't want to stick your scissors through it. What you need to do is gently fold it, do a little snip right on that line, and then I'm going to only cut on the line, and you can't cut any of the pieces out because you need the pieces to stay there. Again, my scissors are not the best scissors. I should look for some different ones for our project. But I'm cutting on the line like this, and I have to turn it a couple times. If you're doing something like this, I would do the window maybe, you might want to do it a little bigger, or maybe a couple windows, just because it's so small. But see how it opens like that? And then I would put my eye through and looking through this right here, but it opens, it's all attached. If for some reason you cut it off, you could always tape it from the back. I did have one student had like a door and a window like this. I don't know what happened to the photograph of it, but they did one whole creature, so if the eye were here, they figured out what would be over here, so it was just like, I don't know, maybe part of it, like its shoulder or something like that, looking through here. It wasn't another eyeball, but it was like another part of its body showing through, so it looked like one continuous, I think it was a dinosaur or something. Okay, so hopefully that's an okay explanation and you can see how to do it. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I definitely would make my plan first with my door or my window, figure out what size paper I need for my eye, and then go to that YouTube video and watch how to draw the eye, and then work from there in finishing it up. Once you were finished, I would like you to photograph it both with the door shut and the door open, and then upload it for me and turn it in. I hope you enjoy this project. I can't wait to see how it turns out.